This is Lightning, a mobile payments application for iOS devices. It is perfect for small business owners that need to accept credit cards on the go. Easy to use, you simply add the amount, charge the card. If you're accepting tips, the user can add the tip and swipe the card. The transaction is approved. The user signs the receipts and agrees to the payment. You can email the receipt to the user so they have it for their records. The email is sent and you're ready to accept your next charge. Check us out at pensmore.co.